Hi, today we'll be talking about endangered species. So first, what are endangered species? Species of animals or plants that come close to extinction or completely dying out are known as endangered species. Now, you might be wondering, what is a species and why is it important? A species is a group of organisms capable of reproducing with one another to create fertile offspring that share similar characteristics. Species are essential for our ecosystem. They provide us with the healthy environment we need for survival. They protect the environment we rely on for oxygen to breathe, food to eat, medicine, and raw materials. Species also serve as the foundation for soil formation, decomposition, pollination, and climate regulation. That is why we need to save species from being wiped out of this world. Today, we'll be talking about some of these endangered species. But first, what are factors that leads a group of organisms to the brink of extinction? One reason a species may be close to extinction is called habitat loss, which also occurs both naturally and due to human activities. Habitat loss is often one of the primary drives behind species endangerment. A common example of a naturally occurring habitat loss happened 65 million years ago to non-avian dinosaurs. Although the reason behind their extinction is still being studied today, most scientists believe it was because of an asteroid that struck Earth. This is believed because scientists claim that non-avian dinosaurs were not declining in number before their extinction. Human-caused habitat loss occurs in various ways. Turning the environment into human uses such as building cities, industries, or farms can lead to habitat loss. Even expanding a city can make animals or plants lose living space. Another way humans can cause habitat loss is by destroying plants which danger the species that we rely on for shelter or food. This can essentially destroy the whole ecosystem. Another example is climate change. This is when the planet gets hotter and hotter, so much so that eventually animals living in a certain space cannot survive there anymore. This can also lead to habitat loss, loss of resources, and destabilized ecosystems. There are also reasons that cause species to get These are also reasons that cause species to get close to extinction. Invasive species are another reason that can lead to habitat loss, that can lead to endangerment of species. An invasive species is a non-native organism such as a plant, animal, or a parasite introduced to another environment. It can cause damage to the ecosystem, disrupt local economies, and pose risks to human health. These species compete with native organisms for food, prey on them, or introduce diseases. Now, let's talk about some species that are currently endangered. First, we have Amur leopard. This species of leopard is native to the southern eastern region of Russia and northern region of China. They're most critically endangered of all leopard subspecies out there. Amur leopards serve as ecological importance because they are top predators, which means they help maintain a healthy balance in the population of species in forests. Over the last couple of years, these animals have been hunted ruthlessly and their habitats have started to deteriorate due to deforestation, farming, industrial development, and road building. As a result, only around 100 Amur leopards remain on this planet. Next, we're going to talk about an endangered plant species. Abronia macrocarpa is a rare species of flowering plant. It is native to eastern Texas and only 9 populations and 3 experiment populations are left on this planet. The Abronia macrocarpa serves as a provider of food or habitat for other species and plays a big role in the environment. Unfortunately, this endangered species faces threats from habitat destruction as developments and the oil drilling activities have taken out its habitat. With that in mind, we should try to take steps to help the endangerment of these species and protect wildlife habitats. We can also recycle and help get rid of invasive species. These are just small steps that we can take to help these species survive. Thank you for watching, and I hope you understand all there is to know about endangered species.